Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the problem number 1688. Count the number of matches in a tournament. Okay, so here we are given an integer n, which is the number of teams participating in the tournament, and we just have to return the number of matches going to happen in that tournament. It's a simple math simulation problem asked in Adobe and Yahoo. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. So let's say we are given with n teams in the first tournament. We are going to like have matches, let's say from 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So in the first tournament we are going to have 3 matches, and after that let's say the first win the match 3, 5, 7. Now in the second tournament 2 matches. So overall it is going to be 5 matches so far. So after that, let's say one match wins the match 5, there will be one more match in the third tournament. Okay, so overall there are going to be 6 matches. Okay, so how do we decide that? So match is going to be between two teams at any moment. So like we will see whether the number of teams given to us is even or odd. If it is even, it means we can pair up each team, and if it is odd, so we can pair up n minus one teams. Then the next team will participate in the further tournament. Okay, so if you have to write the code, let's say for the seven is our total team. We have to keep on playing till one team is left. So there are 7 teams. So there is going to be 3 matches between first 6 teams. So n minus 1 divided by 2 matches will be played in first tournament. Okay, and how many teams are going to be participating in the further tournament? The number of matches happen plus one. One is for the team which has not participated in the first tournament. Okay, if n is if n is odd, or maybe n is even, in that case there will be n by 2 matches, and n by 2 teams will move to the further tournament, because after each match one team is going to win and one team is going to lose. So we can generalize this formula. So now, until we are left with one team, if the number of teams is even, it means all the team will participate in the matches, and there will be n by 2 teams moving to the further tournament. If we have odd number of teams, n minus 1 by 2 teams matches will happen, and n minus 1 by 2 team will win those matches, and one team which did not participate will move to the further tournament. Okay, so this by this way we can get to the solution. But try to analyze, like every team is going to participate in a match, and there will like every team is going to lose except one team. Here we can analyze that every match is going to eliminate a single team. So like let's say in the first tournament we had 3 matches, and each match has eliminated one team. And now how many teams do we have to eliminate? Because we want one winner. So how many teams we have to eliminate? N minus 1. Let's say if we are given with 7 teams, so we have to eliminate 6 teams. And with every elimination there is one match happening. So we can directly say that there is n minus 1 matches going to happen with n teams given to us. So we can directly say return n minus 1. So this can be our answer. So this is our simulation to this problem, and we don't need to do this every time, because we came to this conclusion that every match is eliminating one team, and we have to eliminate n minus 1 team So there is going to be n minus 1 matches to eliminate n minus 1 team. So one team will be left, which is the winner. So here we have come to a conclusion that for n teams in a single tournament, we are going to have n minus 1 matches. So you can directly return n minus 1. And if you want, let's also try to submit that problem, whether it is fine or not based on the percent of the users with Java. Okay, now let's write the code for that as well. Uh, for the steps we have mentioned in the problem statement. So if there is an even number of teams, so we are going to have n minus 2 matches, n by 2 matches. If we are having odd number of teams, there will be n minus 1 by 2 matches plus one team will participate in the further step. So let's take an variable answer to capture our answer. In the end, we are going to return that. Okay, now while n is greater than 1, if n is equal to 1, we won't play any match. That is our winner. If n divided by 2 equal to 0, it means it is even. If it is even, then answer plus equal to n by 2. There are going to be n by 2 matches, and n by 2 team will move to the further step. So n divided equal to 2. If it is odd, then answer will be equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. There will be n minus 1 divided by 2 matches, and the team going to be on the further steps are n minus 1 divided by 2 plus the plus one team that did not participate. Let's try to submit that as well. It is submitting successfully. Okay, hope you understood the problem. Thank you guys.